This video shows how to fix problem in paper jam. Paper jams can happen due to various reasons, such as using wrinkled or damaged paper, overloading the paper tray, inserting the wrong paper size, or having foreign objects, like staples or paper clips, accidentally mixed with the paper. When a paper jam occurs, the machine usually displays an error message or warning, indicating that there is a problem. In some cases, it may be necessary to power off the machine before attempting to clear the paper jam. To resolve a paper jam, it is important to follow the specific instructions provided by the manufacturer for the particular machine model. Generally, the steps involve opening the machine, carefully removing the jammed paper without tearing it, checking for any remaining obstructions, and then closing the machine back up. Testing the printer after clearing a paper jam is a good way to ensure that the issue has been resolved and that the paper is smoothly exiting the printer's paper path. Observe the printer as it prints. Pay attention to the paper as it feeds through the printer and exits the output tray. Check if the paper moves smoothly through the paper path without getting stuck or causing any obstructions. Verify that the printed output looks correct and without any defects.